Looking at some baby cactus today. Man, they look like crap in winter. Have a look. Completely shrunken into the ground. Look at this one. You can barely see it. It's like, no, too cold, too dry. It's hiding. So they're all gymnocalycium, and then these are some labivia. I'm hoping these flower this season. I really do. This upcoming season, they'll be about double the size once they get a little bit more water. But for now, they're going through their winter treatment, so they're shrinking into nothingness, and yeah. But this is how they look in winter. This is how I keep them alive, because I don't use any heating or anything like that, and the greenhouses remain open. I'll probably close them up in maybe August. Maybe that one's dead, didn't make it. See, it's dead. Look, probably for August, just for a few weeks. But otherwise they stay open, and we get a lot of frosts here. So it gets very, very cold. These are these are echinopsis. These are actually just little offsets from because I use a lot of echinopsis in grafting, and they obviously make pups, and I needed some more grafting stock, so I just pulled off a whole bunch of them, and they're all in there. These are actually in a pretty high organic mix, well, by my standards anyways, just to give them a little bit more meat, more gymnocalycium. So we've got a lot of new gymnocalycium lines coming through. Oh, that one's died in the centre, so that'll go in the bin. Yeah, so they're still in production. So these ones here, these was 2 batches, but the 2 lines down here, these ones here are 4 years old. As you can see, they're tiny. 1 because they're dry, and 2 because these have been slow grown. And then these ones here are 3 years old, so they get a little bit bigger, but they grow in I grow in, like, I often talk about mineral mixes, but here you can see it's just gravel pretty much, some little bits of bark, but I grow mostly in high mineral mixes. More labivia, a couple of variegates. This one looks like it's going to be crested, so that'll be cool. That one's got a beautiful pattern, look at that, really good quality. That one there, that one, yeah, not so much. And that one there, sometimes I put these little, like, you know, heavy variegates in just to see if they're strong enough. Sometimes they're surprising, you know, they just power through. These are some Mahanovichii. They're hard to spot because they're so burnt, not burnt, but shrunken and cold burn probably more than anything. These are a couple of years old as well, so yeah, I tend to grow things pretty slowly. I think it makes for stronger plants. Of course, you can jack them up with water and fertilizer and make them grow really fast and get them big and juicy, but nah, that's not how it's not how I do things. Yeah, see the tiny little babies. But this is like the proving grounds, yeah. Like, this is where the next generations end up, all through here. Sometimes they grow fast enough in the punnets, if the punnets aren't so densely planted, that they can go straight into like a, you know, normal square pot. But most of the time they end up in these trays. More labivia. There'll be even more coming soon. Oh, a couple of these are a bit crap. See this? I call it a top hat. When the first head dies or gets damaged or whatever, and then it produces a new one at the top. I hate that. So no, just pull it out. Oh god, wow, strong roots. See, mineral mix. Look at that. See, but no, we don't do that. Oh, most of these died. Most of them died. So, oh well, better they die with me than with the customer, so that's all right. There's a lot. Most of this tray will end up in the bin. More labivia. Love these. And here's some napana. These are from my seeds, so they'll be hybrids or different forms of napana mixed together. I have to check the code and see what exactly that they are. Oh yeah, so that's some of them. There's a few, I don't know how many's in here, a couple of hundred maybe. And there's some more elsewhere. But yeah, let's have a look at some cactus seedlings in winter. And we're currently installing that signature Spine City look. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.